What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. And I was kind of right. I mean, sort of right. I don't like to toot my own horn. I guess I do. Because talk about the fact like if I'm right or if I'm wrong. A lot of times I'm wrong. But I also like to point out the times when I'm right. So I did talk about in the live stream today that there was a chance we could have two positive days. Seeing how we were actually down today, a small amount in the pre-market was showing grounds for reversal of the stock market. Really, stock market was really falling in the beginning of the day, and seeing the pre-market actually falling was interesting. And seeing how little it was falling with so little activity, so little volume, it was showing me that there was just a full grounds for reversal. I was thinking that we were going to see this pull back. Now, it could have obviously went against me. There's a lot of times where I do say that and it doesn't actually, follow suit. So I'm happy with what happened here, what transpired when it came to AMC, because obviously it's a positive day. So before we get started, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Make sure that if you're not subscribed or you know somebody that's not subscribed and they watch my content, tell them to hit that subscribe button. I'm noticing that over 80% of the people that watch my content is not subscribed, which is great to have new people in here. But I would imagine that when I look at the return viewers, actually are showing me something different, that people are returning to watch my content. They're just not subscribed. So if you are one of those people, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. It does help me out and helps out the channel a lot. So we're here to talk about AMC and what the price action was. I wanted to start out with a 1 month look here because the 1 month look is showing exactly what I wanted to see, which is an ascending W. You're looking at this at the $28 mark and around the $29 mark to where we hit these lows. We had a large increase here followed by a larger decrease, right? Every time we see a rip, we see that dip, but a dip that was a little bit too much. Like it was too big of a dip. Do you know what I mean? The retracement was all the way back to basically where it was to begin with, showing that there was a lot of shorts within this day that pushed this price down or pulled this price back down. But we're showing a lot of strength within the 28, 30 dollar range or so, and pushing that up. You can look at this channel, and this channel looks absolutely beautiful. You have an A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. You have a great pattern going on here. You definitely have an A, B, C, D pattern multiple times here. A nice, beautiful channel on the way up, showing a lot of consistency when it comes to the rip and the consolidation, the rip and the consolidation, the rip and the consolidation. It shows a nice, beautiful pattern going through there, and seeing that crossover of the 200 of the 50 moving average to the 200 EMA is a great look at it as well, indicating that bullish pattern. Now, let's look into what happened today and why I consider myself being right. Obviously, the reason why is because I called that we would see a maybe 2 green days, and looking as it's getting closer to 4 o'clock, because right now it is about 10 minutes out, we're sitting at about 3.5%. Now, anything could happen in this last 10 minutes. We have seen that stocks have pulled all the way back in the last 10 minutes, in the last 15 minutes or so. But during the pre-market, we saw this drop down, sort of consolidate somewhere down here, and then hit a low to where it actually picked up and started to increase, started to jump up. Now, this was only about 60,000, 70,000 shares worth of volume, so it wasn't really anything. But then we saw it get to about 8 o'clock to where we actually seen some volume pick up, but the price was actually falling down, noticing that they were shorting this a little bit more in the day. They were shorting it, or in the actual pre-market, they were shorting it, I believe, borrowing around 2 million shares. Yeah, that's what I was looking at in Ortex. But then once you've seen this open up, it started to skyrocket. It jumped up to about 37, did retrace, a nice healthy retracement, and then started to increase again up to 38.77. But then here comes the shorts. The shorts come along, they start shorting this thing. They can't hold it. They see all the buying pressure, so the buying pressure brings it up, maybe some of their covering pressure as well. And then what they're going to do is they're going to re-short it as they start to see this covering going on and this buying going on. They're going to re-short it. It eventually hit a low point of about $35, which was still at a decent price point. It wasn't I don't believe it was positive then because the previous close was around 35.69. So it was slightly positive. But then once you start to go into the rest of the day, it started to increase and consolidate somewhere around in that 37, 36 range. We're hoping that we can close above 37. That will be really good. But all in all, we're seeing two positive days, which makes me feel amazing about what's taking place here, right? We look at the Ortex data, we go into some of this Ortex data, and we're going to see that, yes, they did, cover about 6.7 million shares. You had 6.7 million shares returned. You had 3 million shares that were borrowed. Majority of this was borrowed actually in the pre-market. Now, borrowed shares does not mean shorted shares. They obviously shorted more than what you've seen, but they did return about 6.7 million shares. Which gave us a negative short interest change of 3.37%. The short interest of free float is around 18%, which is 92 million, which is still high. Shares on loan is still over 100 million at 109 million, and utilization is above 91.77. So all in all, great day so far. I hope it doesn't close at a level to where it does decrease a lot. But like I said, I did, call this out. I said that we would see a day to where this, increases, and we actually have 2 green days here. So guys, let me know what you think about this. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Like I said, if you're not subscribed and you're one of those people that have been watching my content for a while, hit that subscribe button. And then the analytics will change. I've noticed a normal channel will have about 50%, 40 to 50% that are not subscribed that are watching their content. And I actually have, 80%. Granted, a lot of my viewership is coming from people that, or new people or returning viewers and, all of that. And the issue is my notifications are not going out to subscribers, and I don't know why. So this is an issue that I have, is the fact that most of my notifications are not going out to subscribers for some odd reason. So that's why I'm getting a lot of new people, and 80% of the people that are watching are not subscribed. So if you are that one of those people, please do so. Also, make sure you check out some of the links in the description. If you guys want free stocks, you can get free stocks. If you guys want to join the Discord group, join as a member, you can do all of that. Also, I have merch down there. I have a lot of different stuff. Definitely check those out. And if you want to see some of my other channels, go ahead and click on, I believe the other channels are down there, but also you can go to my channel page and you'll see all of the other channels I'm associated with, all of my friends, everything like that. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much for watching my content. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next